Quantitative reasoning for common entrance class made easy. Please pay attention and watch till the end.
Hello, you're welcome to another class on quantitative reasoning for common entrance examinations. This class has been put together for those who are preparing for their common entrance exams into federal, states, and private secondary schools in Nigeria. In our previous classes, we've been dealing with series of questions, and you could do well to visit them. In this class, we'll be taking this question. Let's look at the sample. We have 4, this sign, and 0 equals 8. So how do we get this? What it means is 4, we multiply by 2. 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 plus 0 will give us 8. We could say 4 times 2 equals 8, and then this 8 minus 8 will give us 0. I beg your pardon, this is 8. Now if we're looking for this digit, it is 8 minus 0, that will give us 8, and then divided by 2 will give us 4. Now, how do we deal with this? This is 7 times 2 equals 14, and 14 plus 10 will give us 24. Now let's assume 10 is missing. It will be 7 times 2 equals 14, and then 24 minus 14 will give us 10. Now let's try this out, the last sample. 6 times 2, remember the first digit to multiply by 2, that will give us 12. 12 plus 4 will give us 16. Now let's assume this value is missing. It will be 16 minus 4 will give us 12. 12 divided by 2, that will be 6. So let's go into the questions. This value here is missing. We can solve it using this method. So that is 5 times 2 will give us 10, and then 13 minus 10 will give us 3. So the answer here must be 3. Now this value is missing. How do we solve this? We can solve using this method. So what we have is 18 minus 2 will give us 16, and then 16 divided by 2 will give us 8. So the answer here must be 8. The next question, the value here is missing. We can solve using this method. So we have 3 times 2 equals 6, and 6 plus 7 will give us 13. So the answer here must be 13. Looking at the fourth question, this value here is missing. We can solve it using this method, the same method as number 2. So we have 24 minus 4 will give us 20, and 20 divided by 2 will give us 10. So the answer here must be 10. Now let's look at number 5 critically. Now we have a bracket, and using BODMAS, we solve the questions in the bracket first. So we have 4, the sign, and 5. So we have 4 times 2 will give us 8. 8 plus 5 will give us 13. So then we have 2, the sign, and 13. So what it will be is 2 times 2 will be 4, and 4 plus 13 will give us 17. So the answer here must be 17. So I'll leave the last question for you as your homework, and leave you to attempt this question and leave your answer in the comment section. And I'll see you in our next class. Cheers.
Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and follow for more.